The webinars are based on some topics covered by our ebook. Our exclusive guide to master digital marketing covers all the aspects of online marketing. Our ebook will cost you rupees 2000, but our ebook gives you all a chance to recover the amount spent. You can earn money from our ebook with referral sale basis. Only 3 direct sales can give you your amount spent back. You will earn rupees 750 per every direct sale and rupees 50 per every indirect sale. Wait till the end to know about the e-certificates that you can get with our ebook and webinars. Now let's continue to the lesson. Hello everyone. I thank you all for joining this webinar hosted by Terrabiz.com. This webinar aims at discussing about the meaning and importance of online marketing in businesses. Today I am going to discuss about digital marketing. The emergence of internet has modified the customer's purchasing decision. Customers spending most of the time on the web to search for the ideal product have persuaded the brands to perfect their online presence as well as marketing. Effective marketing ensures that the brands connect with their potential customers in the space where they spend most of their time. Trust on the web has changed the ways of doing business nowadays. This has made the business owners realize the fact that without an online presence in the form of a blog or a social media profile will make them miss out on effective marketing and selling. Therefore, it has become necessity for all the business owners to create and maintain their online presence. In layman terms, digital marketing is the form of marketing which involves the use of digital media and various effective online tools. It helps to get the clear vision of consumer behavior and demographic goal. Various online tools can be used on digital media channels like social media, website, search engines, etc. to promote a company's product and services. Online marketing has proved one of the most profitable and effective mode of marketing. Some tools used in digital marketing helps the business owners to analyze the visitors visiting their websites. This is one of the most important part in digital marketing. The analysis includes the frequency of visits, the pages visited, the bounce rate, location, etc. This information helps to identify the pattern of consumer behavior and influence, with the help of which the owners can place effective marketing channels and make strategic decisions for the business. Attribution model refers to the use of online tools which helps you to keep a track of the sales history with the customers. This information helps the owners to analyze the customer behavior and create effective marketing strategies. Now let's discuss the differences between traditional marketing and digital marketing. First comes traditional marketing. It is a form of advertising or marketing that uses print media, direct mail, broadcast, and telephone to reach customers. It's the oldest form of marketing to reach customers. Cost of marketing is very high as compared to online marketing. There is no proper way to measure the insights, and we cannot analyze customer reach. We cannot predict the future of our business as we don't have enough insights data of audience reach. Now comes digital marketing. It is a form of marketing which uses the internet as a medium to reach the larger group of audience. It is a modern form of marketing which uses new trends and strategies to reach customers. The cost of marketing is comparatively low as with the traditional form of marketing. There are many ways to measure the insights which helps us analyze customer behavior. As we have enough data, it is helpful for us to analyze the audience and make changes according to customer behavior online, which ultimately helps us to predict the future. Digital marketing includes various techniques for online marketing and promotion of the brand. The following are the four most common digital media channels: website, blog posts, white papers and ebooks, infographics, automation tools, social network channels, online reputation of social networks and online reviews, online brochures, brand values just like the company logo. Following are the commonly used tools in digital marketing: search engine optimization. This process involves the optimization of the website to rank higher in the search engine result page for free organic web traffic. Search engine marketing. SEM is all about increasing the visibility of the brand on various search engines with the help of paid advertising. Social media marketing. Social media marketing includes the process of paid promotion across various social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Content marketing. Content marketing is the process of creating brand awareness by means of blog posts, ebooks, etc. Pay per click (PPC). It is the method of driving the traffic to the website by using PPC mode of advertising. Email marketing. It is the form of reaching the potential customers by sending regular emails regarding product information, discount offers, events, etc. Affiliate marketing. It is the form of marketing which includes promotion of other companies, products, or services to earn commission on sales. SMS marketing. It is a form of marketing which includes the use of SMS services to connect with potential customers. It has a very high open ratio as compared with email marketing. Although digital marketing works for any type of business regardless of nature of the product, the marketing strategies may vary according to the nature of the companies. B2B organization. For B2B organization, digital marketing efforts are centered on generating an online prospect. For this reason, your marketing strategy should be designed to draw in the very best quality potential customers through their website and through their digital channels compatible with their partners. B2C organization. Digital marketing has geared towards attracting a lot of people to your website for B2C organizations and to draw in additional potential customers while not using a vendor. For this reason, your marketing strategy needs to concentrate on a way to build an accelerated buying journey from the moment a customer arrives on your website to buy. Let me tell you about the first ever digital marketing technique used about 100 years ago. In 1896, Guglielmo Marconi was the first human to demonstrate a public transmission of wireless signals. He invented radio. Shortly after his little demonstration in England, more signals were transmitted across open water. And while it would take another 10 years for the radio to reach the general public, it sure didn't take the creators long to realize they could use it to sell stuff. The first live broadcast was from an opera performance at the Met, and guess what people did after it? They bought show tickets. Digital marketing strategy was born. I bet you're surprised I didn't mention smartphones, apps, Facebook ads, or blogs at all. That's because digital marketing has nothing to do with the internet. If you are still wondering what digital marketing is, it is advertising delivered through digital channels. Channels such as social media, mobile application, email, web application, search engines, websites, or any new digital channel. Along with digital marketing, let me also discuss about broad categories of offline marketing. The first one is called enhanced offline marketing. This is an entirely offline form of marketing which is enhanced with electronic devices. Although it is a very expensive mode of marketing, it has proved to reach max number of potential customers. The second one is called radio marketing. It has been over a century since invention of radio. This form of marketing involves the use of radio for the promotion of products and services for the company. Radio still has max number of listeners which benefits the companies. Next is TV marketing. The commercials aired on television are seen by almost every person. The content displayed in television binds the audience in such manner that the commercials have greater impact on the potential customers. Last one is phone marketing. The increased dependency on smartphones have made the companies spend much more budget on advertising on mobiles, with SMS marketing and intense calling having much more impact on customers, brands laying out mobile-friendly marketing strategies. That was the first scoop on digital marketing. Now you can see that internet isn't just the place to gather information, but also a medium to promote products and increase revenue sales. The brands can try different medias of promotion to select the best one and diversify the marketing portfolio. I hope this has added a lot of value to all the aspirants learning digital marketing. This is how our exclusive ebook covers every topic in detail. The other chapters of our ebook covers every topic of online marketing. Our exclusive ebook will take you all through every topic like this in detail. And with every chapter of the ebook comes a webinar video like this to explain you the topics more clearly. You can also avail e-certificates of completing digital marketing course from us. To avail e-certificate, you will need to complete the whole series of 26 webinars which you can access after purchasing our ebook. Our ebook comes with a series of webinars for better understanding and studies. Once you complete the series, you will be given a small test to appear for. Once you complete that, you will be issued the e-certificate. Our exclusive guide to master digital marketing comes with a business opportunity also. Using the business opportunity, you can earn back the amount you paid for the ebook. The business opportunity allows you to earn money with a direct sale basis model of business. You will earn rupees 750 for every direct sale made and rupees 50 for every indirect sale. With our business model, you can earn more than rupees 44 lakhs. You can check our other videos to know about the business plan and how to get started with our platform. Do follow our social media handles to know every bit about our company. You can find the links of the business plan video and how to get started with our platform in the description below. The link to our website is also provided in the description below.